Let me just show you everything's working here. We're behind from all the rain. It's been about 2 days, 3 days of rain. So I fixed the brakes, as you guys will see in this video right here. So this video is all about maintenance on the truck and how bad these brakes really got. So thank God we was stopping. Definitely we was being looked out after because we was actually stopping. So guys, make sure that if you're hearing any sounds on your vehicles or anything like that, do the maintenance. And you know, because you never know. We got this truck, it was used, and clearly it has been going on since we got the truck. So before we got the truck. So fortunately we was stopping. So guys, enjoy the video, and we'll be back. So headed to the next property. Alright guys, so my brakes have been acting up big time, and I got a buddy of mine. He's a mechanic, and he'll come over and help me out when I need a lot of help. And I changed my front brakes. Started noticing that today and yesterday, after I changed my front brakes, I was still getting a lot of lockage and you know, a lot of grinding when I was stopping. So started looking at everything. It's my back brakes. It's my back passenger side brake, and I'm going to show you the hub and show you what's going on. So I'm actually missing one of the, what kind of pin is it?
It's the caliper bolt.
It's the caliper bolt. Somehow it's not there. It's my life, so you know. Sierra test drove everything. Everything's stopped and everything's good. So Chandler's here, my mechanic, and he's taking care of me again. So, all right, I'm going to show you this, this stuff here real quick. That's so bad, man. All right, guys, we'll come back when we're about done.
Piston shot.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at those. Wow. Oh. Okay, so we got everything off. We had to get new calipers, new rotor, new brake pads for both sides, and under $300. Got some brake fluid too. So under 300 bucks, and Chandler's tossing them back on now. So everything was busted, as you guys could see. So yeah, getting it done. So that's the new one. And that's the old one. New. Old. Oh, here's the brake shoes. Old brake pads. So no wonder we was having a hard time trying to stop. Alright guys, come back when we're test driving it. Hey guys, we finally got the brakes fixed. We did kind of mess up. We got the wrong brake pads, and as you hear in the video, had to go back and get new brake pads. As we were taking off the driver's rear side, we found out that the calipers on that side were bad as well, so we had to buy calipers. We did go over $300, We ended up at $379 altogether. After the core price, it ended up being $345. So not bad, but definitely a hard lesson to learn. But you know, it is what it is. It was a used vehicle when we got it. Didn't really have any issues up until maybe about 2 weeks ago, and really started having a hard time stopping, and back brakes were smoking, and as you can tell in the video, the calipers have been shot for quite a while. They were rusted out, all rusted. There was no silver or anything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully everybody's learned something just like we have. If you hear it, check it out. It might be an issue. So guys, have a great day. Enjoy. One love.